Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking to be classy from head to toe, check out these gorgeous dress shoes from Burvanry. These are men's faux patent leather shoes. They are so stylish. They have that gorgeous glossy toe, a really beautiful finish that just makes it look super elegant. So if you are going to a formal event and you want to really step it up, these are the shoes to do it. They're very lightweight, so they're easy to wear. They are sized accurately. My husband is a size 12, and so these fit him perfectly. He also has a bit of a wider foot, but they're very comfortable. The base also has a nice grip, so you can dance the night away and be totally fine. I'm really impressed with the value too, so they look really expensive, but they won't break the bank. They're also very easy to put on and off. They have the rounded laces, so they look really nice and polished when they're tied. So if you're looking for a nice stylish dress shoe that's very comfortable but will really make you look fancy, then I think you'll love this one, and that's my point of view.